Solar Brothers Sun Case, an essential device for igniting fires in the wilderness. This remarkable lighter harnesses the power of the sun to generate a flame. Constructed from premium materials known for their durability, it effortlessly withstands rugged outdoor conditions. To utilize its capabilities, just open the case, align it with the sun, and press the ignition button. Its compact size ensures hassle-free portability, allowing you to effortlessly carry it in your backpack, making it an indispensable tool for every outdoor enthusiast. SOG MACV Tool. The SOG MACV tool presents itself as a compact and versatile solution, packing a punch in a pocket-sized design. This impressive tool encompasses 12 essential functions, such as a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and ruler, among others. Constructed from durable 3CR13 stainless steel, it exhibits remarkable longevity, further fortified by a robust black coating that shields it from both scratches and corrosion. With the added assurance of a lifetime warranty, it becomes a trusted companion for various activities, be it camping, hiking, or handling impromptu repairs within your abode. Its enduring nature and multifunctionality make this SOG MACV tool a reliable asset that combines convenience and reliability in a single package. SOG Parashears. The SOG Parashears go beyond ordinary clippers, specifically engineered to handle rugged challenges encountered in outdoor environments. These exceptional tools boast a range of features, including a stainless steel blade, glass breaker, flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, and ruler, granting them exceptional versatility. Their design prioritizes both functionality and durability, ensuring a comfortable grip and robust construction. As a result, they have become an essential accessory for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hikers, and survivalists alike. When it comes to conquering tough tasks in the great outdoors, the SOG Parashears stand out as a must-have tool, capable of delivering reliable performance and meeting the demands of any adventure. Rite in the Rain. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who face challenging weather conditions, the Rite in the Rain notepad is an ideal companion. Its unique feature of waterproof and durable paper enables seamless note-taking and sketching even in the harshest elements, be it rain, snow, or even underwater environments. The notepad showcases a robust cover and spiral binding, providing exceptional resistance against the forces of nature. Available in diverse sizes and formats, it caters perfectly to the needs of hikers, hunters, engineers, and surveyors who rely on dependable waterproof writing tools. With the Rite in the Rain notepad in hand, individuals can confidently capture their thoughts and ideas outdoors, no matter the weather, ensuring that important information is never lost or compromised due to environmental factors. CRKT PRI Bear. Combining practicality and durability, the CRKT Pry Bar Pocket Tool is a compact device that brings a host of functions within reach. Crafted from top-notch stainless steel, it exhibits remarkable sturdiness, ensuring longevity and withstanding the test of time. Its notable features include a convenient built-in pry bar, enabling effortless opening of lids, boxes, and containers. Furthermore, it incorporates a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and hex wrench, enhancing its versatility for tackling diverse tasks. The tool's compact design allows for easy portability, easily slipping into your pocket and becoming a reliable companion for everyday use. With the CRKT Pry Bar Pocket Tool readily available, you have a practical and robust gadget that streamlines various tasks, offering convenience and reliability whenever you need it. Survival Credit Card, an essential companion for nature lovers, backpackers, outdoor enthusiasts, and those who prioritize readiness. Crafted from premium aircraft-grade aluminum, this compact card holder boasts a multitude of survival tools, making it a must-have accessory. With its water-resistant design and RFID protection, it guarantees the safety of up to 4 credit cards. The jackfish holder is thoughtfully equipped with a whistle, compass, knife, screwdriver, fish hook, and paracord, all meticulously designed to maximize convenience without compromising portability. Additionally, it offers a variety of color options, ensuring both practicality and aesthetic appeal. Tactical Hammer M48 Hawk. This tool, M48 Hawk, is a robust and adaptable tool tailored for survivalists, campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Boasting a sleek black stainless steel fixed blade, as well as a hammer and tomahawk axe, this multi-purpose implement is a true workhorse. The razor-sharp, resilient blade effortlessly tackles wood chopping and brush clearing. Furthermore, the hammer and tomahawk axe are invaluable for securing stakes, breaking ice, and providing self-defense options. To facilitate easy access, the tool is accompanied by a sturdy nylon sheath with a convenient belt loop. Sync 2 Traveler. Presenting the Sync 2 Traveler Multi-Tool, a compact and ingenious device resembling a portable hardware emporium. This remarkable gadget encompasses 11 integrated tools, including pliers, wire cutters, scissors, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener. Its lightweight composition and robust stainless steel construction ensure effortless portability. What truly distinguishes this tool is its customizable feature, enabling users to easily remove and interchange tools from the extensive SOG line, granting unparalleled adaptability and flexibility. Irrespective of whether you are an outdoor enthusiast, a DIY aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates being prepared, Tactical Survival Walking Stick. Why settle for an ordinary walking stick when you can elevate your experience with the Tactical Survival Walking Stick? This exceptional walking stick not only provides excellent support during hikes, but also boasts an array of features to tackle emergency situations. Crafted from lightweight and high-strength aluminum, it offers durability without compromising on weight. The stick features a tungsten steel tip to conquer challenging terrains and a removable rubber foot for enhanced grip on various surfaces. Within its hollow handle lies a waterproof storage compartment, ingeniously filled with vital survival essentials like a fire starter, fishing gear, and a wire saw. The Tactical Survival Walking Stick is the ideal companion to meet your survival needs effectively. Credit Card Multi-Tool. Introducing the versatile Credit Card Multi-Tool, a compact and portable device that combines a remarkable 60 tools into one. Meticulously crafted from premium stainless steel, it boasts a sleek design, exceptional durability, and is perfectly suited for everyday carry. This ingenious tool effortlessly opens bottles, cans, and boxes, while also providing the ability to tighten screws and bolts, measure distances and angles, cut through various materials, start fires, and even signal for help with its built-in mirror. With a thickness of only 2 millimeters, it seamlessly fits into your wallet, pocket, or backpack, ensuring convenience and accessibility. Complete with a practical carrying case for safekeeping and organization, the Credit Card Multi-Tool proves to be an indispensable companion for camping, hiking, or everyday tasks.